Court calls the matter of Trepka versus Trepka, case number 2021-5174-DO. If you could please place your name on the record.
Lindsay Trepka.
Good morning. Today's date and time set for a hearing. This matter is being done by remote technology due to decisions of the Supreme Court and Chief Judge. Contents of this video may be the official record or proceeding of the State of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a trial. Mr. Trepka has had notice. For whatever reason, he has failed to appear. So we will continue. We've given him about 10 minutes, and if he does enter in, we will let him in. So, Miss, with that, if you'll raise your right hand, Ms. Trepka. Do you solemnly swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your full name, spelling your first and last name for the record.
Lindsay Marie Trepka.
Okay, please spell that.
LINDSYTREPKA.
Okay. Ms. Trepka, do you know where your husband is this morning?
No, I do not.
Was he aware of today's hearing?
Yes, he was.
Did you inform my staff you thought you had an agreement on everything?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll have you testify as to what you think the agreement should be, and if I agree with you and I hear no objection from Mr. Trepka, who's not showing up, we'll go forward with this. You filed a complaint for divorce on or about February 8th, 2021, is that correct?
Yes.
When you filed, were you a resident of Michigan for 180 days and in Kalamazoo County for at least 10 days?
Yes.
You were married on or about September 5th, 2015, is that correct?
Correct.
You separated on or about July 1st, 2020, is that correct?
Correct.
At the time of filing, you claimed there was a breakdown in the marriage relationship. Was that true when you filed?
Yes.
Is that true today?
Yes.
Can you briefly, in a sentence or less, tell me what caused the breakdown of the marriage relationship?
Mr. Trepka became a drug user and was then incarcerated.
Okay. Based on those issues, he's out of incarceration now, though, correct?
Correct, yes.
Based on those issues, has the matrimonial nature of your marriage been forever broken?
Yes.
Are you currently pregnant?
No.
Were there any minor children born or adopted during the marriage?
No.
Okay. With regards to personal property, do you get what is in your possession and be responsible for any debts with that, and he gets what's in his possession and be responsible for any debts for that property?
Correct, yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any real property to be divided?
No.
Is there any debt to be divided, or is it both in your own names singularly?
Our agreement was that he was to pay the consumer's debt in the amount of $2,488.94.
Okay, and when is he to pay that by?
He said within a month.
Do you think he's capable of doing that?
Honestly, no, I do not.
Okay, well, then you may end up being responsible if they take you to civil court. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give him 60 days to pay that. So when you prepare your judgment divorce to be paid from 60 days till today. Any other debt to be divided?
No.
Any cars to be divided?
No.
Anybody having any rights in insurances or pensions?
No.
And neither party is asking for spousal support, correct?
Correct.
Okay, you understand that's forever barred?
Yes.
Are you asking for a different name or sticking with Trepka?
I'm just going to stick with Trepka.
Okay. Do you believe in its entirety this agreement is fair and equitable to both parties?
Yes.
Is there anything else you want the court to be made aware of?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll preserve the testimony. What you'll have to do is get a judgment of divorce. You can get that through an attorney. You can get that online. Some of the local libraries have them. You need to fill out the judgment of divorce with exactly what you testified to today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will preserve the testimony. Testimony shows me there has been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed, and there remains no reasonable likelihood the marriage can be preserved. I'll give you 3 weeks to get that judgment of divorce in, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, and we will be adjourned. Any questions?
No.
Okay, good luck. We'll be adjourned.